right on the roundabout and take the third exit, A89.
If I can get through the gap, I make sure I can get through the gap safely. So we are turning right, third exit. Checking on my right, there's a car coming on my right. Or a van, a white van. And there's also a blue Audi coming across my path. It's safe for me to go. Just checking the roundabout again, and I'm making the turn, third exit. So that's my first exit. This is my second exit. Checking mirrors, middle left and signal left. I'm going straight ahead. If the signal does not go off, make sure you put the signal off now, because I'm not turning left here.
200 yards, go left on the roundabout and take the second exit, A89, Garlea Road.
So remember, she said the second exit, so there's no signalling. Second exit, that's what we are taking.
Go left on the roundabout and take the second exit.
And she said left, so I'm in my left lane, and the second exit, it's where the blue car is going now. I'm just checking on my right hand side, making sure it's safe for me to go. And it is safe for me to go. Staying towards my left, checking my mirrors, left, middle left, signaling left. And we're going straight ahead at the next roundabout, first exit. So I'm just slowing down off the gas, positioning my car to the left.
And take the first exit, Bailey's Lane. Then, at the end of the road, turn left.
So I'm checking my mirrors. I should have signaled left there a little earlier because there's only one exit, and I'm just coming a little slow because I saw some pedestrians walking across there.